Sound of rain in the tunnel in İstanbul Beyoğlu İstiklal Street. Hello, friends. Today, we are taking you on a journey in the heart of Istanbul, on Beyoğlu İstiklal Street, famous for its historical atmosphere. But this time, we bring together this iconic place of the city with the sweet serenade of rain. The tunnel at the entrance of İstiklal Street represents the characteristic structure of Istanbul. And today, with the raindrops flowing between the historical walls of tunnel, this place turns into a magical garden. The water accumulated on the shop roofs has formed a small pond at the entrance of the tunnel. This view is just one of the unexpected beauties of Istanbul. The rain further emphasizes the historical texture of tunnel. Raindrops dancing on the stones reflect the spirit of Istanbul. And of course, the people of Istanbul fill the streets under all circumstances. Walking under the blessings of the rain means feeling the enthusiastic atmosphere of the city once again. Spending a day in the rain on İstiklal Street, the heart of Istanbul, is truly an unforgettable experience. The historical atmosphere of Tunnel L and the peaceful sound of heavy rain are waiting for you to discover the unique beauties of the city.